Hey folks, this is going to be a different video for you guys. This piece here is bad in one of my pin setters. So what does that mean? Well, you see all them bearings on the table? It's 150 of them. And let me go show you what I got to do to get to it. Alright, so that's what that looks like together. This is where we're at now, the teardown. I'll show you what the issue is. You see these? That's where the bolt holes are. They are cracked. The bolts broke off in that one. The frame is cracked all the way around it, where the holes go. So, you gotta get up underneath here, and there's about 6 bolts underneath there. They're not very big. You gotta take them out. But all through here, there's a double row of bearings, about 150-ish. So I gotta figure out how to get that piece out without dropping 150 bearings on my floor. I've never done this before. It has never been done since this guy's owned this bowling alley. So yeah, we got our hands full on this. I have hours already into this, and we're just getting to the point now where the teardown is almost there. There is a way, I heard, to take that out without spilling the bearings out. Again, that's what I heard. I've never seen it done, but that's what we're gonna go with. And hopefully by tomorrow afternoon, this one will look like that one again. These pin setters are from the 60s, and some maybe for the 70s, but either which way, they're either as old or older than I am, so it gives you an idea. But I figured I'd show you guys what I'm getting into today. A little different from the cars and automotive. Still belts, still gears, and all kinds of linkages. And there's the top of it over there. But that's where we're at, folks. Later.